My name is Mayra. I'm the owner of Busy Bee Shop. I've started 8 years ago. We're located in La Habra, California. We specialize in custom UV DTF, DTF transfers, sublimation, and 3D printing. An average day in the shop starts with coffee, maintenance on all the machines so we get steady production going on throughout the day, a lot of revising, doing mock-ups and packing orders, and we do a lot of pickups, so we communicate a lot with our customers throughout the day. I've always been creative. I think what I like the most is doing custom items because it's something about bringing like the customer's idea to life that like brings me joy. Kind of like when you do someone's hair or someone's makeup and they see it after, they're happy, and I like that. I like giving that to people. Procolored has helped my workflow to run more cohesively, and I'm able to get more orders done in a shorter amount of time. The consistency that I have with my prints, I do notice with other companies, color consistency isn't always the same, and with Procolored, I know for sure that I will have the same print quality each time. It means that I can create whenever I want, and I can take on any kind of order. There's no order too big or too small for us to take on because of the Procolored printers. It's helped my business grow, so it's kept me busier, but there is that sense of security that I know that even if I take a break with Procolored, with my printers, you know, that I'll get them up and running in no time. So if I do need time off, it gives me that flexibility. I would describe Procolored as empowering because since I've got my Procolored printers, I feel empowered and I'm able to take on more, and I don't feel scared to take on new projects because I know that my machines will pull through. I started with converted sublimation printers, and it was very limiting to what I could put designs on shirts, what kind of shirts I could use, and with Procolored I really have no limits. I'm excited. It's barely January and I feel like we're very busy already, so I feel blessed that it feels like it's going to be a good year.